Samsung had barely finished shocking people with all the Galaxy S26 Ultra leaks, and now, somehow, the Galaxy S27 Ultra is already starting to show up in early rumors. Yeah, way sooner than expected. And if this first leak is even half right, Samsung might be lining up a pretty major camera move. A well-known tipster just shared early info about the S27 Ultra camera setup, and it points to Samsung rethinking zoom in a big way. Instead of sticking with the usual multi-telephoto approach, the company could be changing the formula entirely, and that's where things get interesting. According to the leak, Samsung may drop the standard 3x zoom camera altogether. In its place, the phone is reportedly being tested with a huge 200 megapixel main sensor made by Sony. So this isn't just another spec bump for the sake of a headline. There's more to it than that. This sensor is said to be physically larger than the previous one, and it may also come with a wider aperture. In real use, that could mean better light capture, cleaner low-light photos, and sharper detail overall. And once you hear how Samsung might use that, it starts to make a lot more sense. The idea here is actually pretty smart. With that much resolution and stronger light performance, Samsung could use advanced crop zoom from the main sensor to cover the 3x range. So instead of adding another dedicated lens, it could let the main camera handle more of the work. But that's only part of the story. The early Galaxy S27 Ultra rumors don't stop at cameras. One of the standout features tied to the Galaxy S26 Ultra is the privacy display, which helps block people from seeing your screen from the side. Great for texts, emails, or pretending to work during a boring meeting. But Samsung may already be taking that further. At MWC, Samsung Display showed off what looked like the next step for that privacy screen tech, and this doesn't seem like a tiny tweak. Instead of only hiding smaller bits of content, like notifications, the upgraded version could shield much larger areas of the display. That's a pretty meaningful jump. Samsung Display says this next-gen privacy feature depends on new hardware. So no, this isn't something Samsung can just push to the Galaxy S26 Ultra through a software update and call it a day. And once a company executive hinted that it could land on a future Galaxy device, things got even more interesting. Now the camera side gets even bigger. If this leak is accurate, the Galaxy S27 Ultra could bring the camera upgrade Samsung fans have been waiting on for a while. According to Ice Universe, Samsung's next Ultra phone may use a brand new camera sensor called the S5 HP6. That sensor could be the next generation of Samsung's 200 megapixel camera tech. Ice Universe says the HP6 will likely be a self-used version of Samsung's upcoming HPA sensor. In other words, Samsung may be building a special version just for its own flagship phones. And then another leak added even more detail. Chinese tipster Digital Chat Station also shared info on the HPA sensor. Based on that report, it may offer 200 megapixels, a larger 1/11.2-inch sensor size, and support for LOIC Ultra High Dynamic Range. And honestly, that last part could matter more than the raw megapixel count. LOIC stands for Lateral Overflow Integration Capacitor, and it's meant to improve dynamic range in a major way. That helps the camera hold on to more detail in bright highlights and dark shadows at the same time. In real photos, that could mean better skies, stronger night shots, and more balanced images overall. And here's the biggest part of the leak. Ice Universe says Samsung may be planning one of its biggest camera shakeups in years. The main camera is getting replaced, the ultra-wide is getting replaced, and even the front camera is getting replaced. 3 major sensor changes in one generation. Samsung almost never does that. That's what makes these early Galaxy S27 Ultra leaks so hard to ignore. If this all ends up being accurate, Samsung isn't just tweaking the formula this time. It's changing some of the biggest parts of the camera system all at once, and that could make the next Ultra a whole different conversation.